Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here. Hey guys, at this point it's day 5 of vlogs. Woohoo! Kind of sticking to something more than I normally do, so not bad. I'll start now with Chase. This way. We get him out of the way. Hey, get you out of the way. Here, how about you just vlog the whole day today? I don't know, when did your other paw? Okay guys, today I don't know what we're talking about, but hi, how's it going? There we go to there we go. Good guys, there we go. Hello. No, okay. Have a chase. It's currently 1:30 in the morning. Heading to bed soon, but thought I should probably throw up my vids for you guys. I'm currently uploading, actually as we speak, the NASCAR race. Should have been up about an hour ago, but oh well, shit happens. Life moves on. Hopefully my table doesn't break. I'm sitting on a table. See? Yeah, pajamas. That's how we roll. What, Chase? What? Anyways. So yeah, new vids are up. Well, the new vid. Not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. What is tomorrow meant to be? Oh, Minecraft. Ooh. Might get my brother over. Try to get a collab done. Haven't seen you in a long time, baby. Everyone's missing you. There you have the whole spotlight to yourself. Do whatever Felix is do. I just woke him up, so he's a little dopey. He's a little dopey dog, but in cat form. Yeah. Here we go, put my boys together. Let's see if I can do this. Whoop. It is fucking random. I'm bored. Anyways, just gotta change my song. Sure, that'll work. Because you guys are thinking, well, you're listening to something. What are you listening to? I just actually finished No Interruption by Hoodie Allen, and now hopefully you can read that. If not, it's No Faith in Brooklyn. Anyways, I have a magic trick. There we go. A card trick really is what it is for you guys. I actually did it yesterday for today. Because after I put yesterday's up, while I was putting it up, I did the tricks. And then I was like, oh, put that in my vlog tomorrow. Actually, I did 2 tricks. One will be in tomorrow's, one will probably be in the next day. Because you're like, why did I change my shirt just for a trick? It's made yesterday the pair of them wear, so. It'll be in here somewhere. So as you can see, I'm doing some total shuffles here. Just kind of messing them all up. Alright. Now I'm just going to put down a card. And then count to 13. So that's 2, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And these 2 extra will just be put to the side for now. Okay. Now I'm going to flip over 3 of these and then combine the rest. So, just at random. Then I'll combine that guy with that guy. Alright, now I'm just going to flip over this guy here. that one here. So we have a 2 of hearts and an ace of clubs. Alright. Now I'm going to be able to tell you what this card is once I'm done dealing out these ones. Okay? First we start out by just counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then because there's a 2 here, we'll put down 2. Because there's a 1 here, we'll put down the 1. So meaning I only have 1 card left. And what is it? Now, in case if some of you are thinking, oh, well, you just totally set that up. I'm going to do this with no edits. Just going to give it a quick 30-second shuffle. Probably won't even be 30 seconds, but... Okay, there's the deck, ready to go again. So it's a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whoops, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have to think about that one for a second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. 13. Kings, in case I haven't already realized, but they do equal 13 on their own, so don't need to put them up to a 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 3, 4, 5, 6, no. So you know there's nothing fancy, I'll put them all the way up there. This time I'll choose 2 other random decks. So he'll be 1. He'll be 1. So then I'll combine the rest together. Then, just so you do know, you do include your other discarded ones. Alright. Flip over him, and yeah, we already saw him, so. Alright, so again, I'm going to tell you what the face of that one is. So first we'll just re-deal out 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we have an 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we have 3, 1, 2, 3, leaving us with 1, 4. There you go, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure what else to say right now. Kind of lost for words. I'm hoping to start getting more gaming videos done. And I'm hoping to stick to vlogging daily now. Just because that's the way it is. Ooh, random question. I know this is kind of weird, but depending on where you live, preferably Canadian, well, Canada or the States. So there's something in my... Anyways, depending on where you live, leave me a comment if there are any PSW, what the hell's a PSW? It's a personal support worker, or RPN jobs where you live. Fiance and I are thinking about moving. Anyways, we're thinking about moving. We're not sure where. But, so we're thinking about moving. We don't know where. If you guys have jobs where you live, put them down below. We're gonna go anywhere, really. Whether it's Canada, the States, is where we're hoping. I personally would like BC as my West Coast area, or Ontario. That's pretty much it. In between, I don't care. In the end, I'll take anything, but I'm specifically looking for those. In the States, I personally would like to go to California or kind of around that side. And of course, my fiance herself would actually like to go to Florida or North South Carolina, that side of the continent. So we're kind of on the opposite ends. So if you guys could put down below some different options, that'd be great, because we don't know, and kind of makes life hard when we don't know what we're doing. And because right now we're pretty much just. Sorry guys, I fell over. Sorry, Chase. I just scared the shit out of him. Anyways, welcome back to Felix. If it was all about Chase, so we'll make him today all about Felix. Hey, Felix. Hey. Oh, you're gonna do the vlogging today? Okay. Get them. Get them. Get them. Give them a smack. Oh no! You were holding it for vlogging. There you go, babe. He's about 8 weeks. Actually, I think we did the math, and he was gonna be 8 weeks pretty soon. So, 8-week-old kitty doing his first vlog. Kind of more on his own. Felix. This is what I get for my cats. Oh, come on. You're so mean. You step all over your brother. Let's go focus on Felix. And, hopefully he'll let me pick him up. Something I've never really had in a cat before. Oh, come on. Just hold still for a second. Is that extremely, extremely pink nose. And when we look at Mr. Chase over here, it's not the nice bright pink. Are you wearing makeup? Do you have some eyeliner on? Did you forget to put the lip liner on your lips instead of your nose? I know, I'm just mean. I'm picking on you. Felix, that's for you, baby. Anyways, I think that's where I'm going to end it for today. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. Please leave some comments down below about whatever. Ask questions, I'll answer them. What else can I say? Subscribe, like my Facebook page, find me on Google+, message me, talk to me. I don't have Skype yet, but I will. I'll get it even soon, and then we can do some Skype calls one day. Oh yes, actually, just before we go, one other note. In the NASCAR, I did mention this, but in case you don't watch the NASCAR and you're just gonna go to this, these beautiful skull candies. The Player 2, I guess, is what I'm calling them anyways. It's PLYR 2. So, anyways, it might not be here long. I learned that this microphone is really shitty. They're comfortable, they're really good. Microphone quality, well, I mean the quality is good, but you almost have to scream into them, and it's not the greatest. My lips are really pink today. My ears becoming red. Like I've been drinking and I haven't. Anyways, that's it for today. Peace out.